from 2023 GCE Science Paper 1. This is the question. So the question, I've just drawn the diagram. The name of the questions. Define critical angle. We know that this one is the ray of light that is striking on the glass through this normal line. This is a semicircular glass block, which is the semicircular glass block, and this is the normal. So this is the ray of light that is entering and striking on the surface of the glass block. Now the question is, define critical angle. So we want to define this. So what is critical angle? Okay. So critical angle is the angle of incidence that produces the angle of refraction of 90 degrees. So once a certain critical angle, once it strikes the surface, then the outcome, the angle of refraction that is going to be produced, if the angle of refraction is exactly 90 degrees, then we are saying that particular angle of incidence, we call it critical angle. We can quickly go to B. Calculate the critical angle. So this is the formula for critical angle. So that is the formula where this stands for critical angle, then this is the refractive index of the material, and this is sine inverse. So we have this one, which is the refractive index of the material, which is according to the question. Okay, so according to the question, they're saying the refractive index of glass is 1.52. 1.52. So here, we are going to put 1.52. That is what we can give in the question. So the critical angle is equal to so when you multiply that one direct, I'll just say go on the calculator, then you punch 1 divided by 1.52, then sine of that answer, sine inverse of that answer, you find the critical angle will be 41.1 degrees, which is there, and you can put it as 41 degrees. So that is our critical angle. That is our critical angle. So that is the formula that we use whenever you are given a question to say, okay, the critical angle. You use this one. What is the next question? The next question reads, state two conditions for total internal refraction to occur. State two conditions for total internal refraction to occur. So what makes the total internal refraction to occur? One, Okay, so this means that when the angle of incidence is greater than the critical angle, then the total internal reflection is going to take place. So when the angle of incidence, which is this one, is greater than the critical angle, then it is likely that the total internal reflection is going to take place. Apart from that, the second condition, you can say, two medias, of course, the ray of light should be moving from the more optically denser media into the less optically denser media. So when the light ray moves from the more optically dense media to a less optically dense media. So this is the number 2. So the total internal reflection will occur when the light rays moves from the more optically denser media going into the less optically denser media. So those are basically two conditions that can enable the light ray to undergo the total internal reflection. We can quickly look at the last one, which is give one application or use for total internal reflection. Where do we apply this knowledge that you acquire after learning the concepts of total internal reflection? It has got a lot of applications. One, it can be used in medicine. 2, we can also telecommunication. We use it in telecommunication. So those are certain areas where they use the knowledge of total internal reflection. In medicine, of course, when they are viewing, doctors are viewing inside the human body, then they use that light, that application can be used so that they are able to see what is inside the human body. Then also in telecommunication, this is where now the messages or the signals, they are able to travel through a certain fibers, and they are not able to escape the fiber, but they will be maintained inside the fiber until reaches the destination. This, of course, helps in preventing or avoiding the loss of data in the process and also the loss of energy for intellectual reflection. Thank you very much. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe so that we enjoy together. Thank you. Bye-bye.